Hey guys, welcome to Get channel. Usually I don't make this type of video, but I'm doing just to help out the needy one, as I don't find an easy solution for this topic on internet, so I decided to make one. So let's begin. Before we begin, let me tell you that previously we talked about AMP breadcrumbs errors, which we have finally solved it, and here it is the success notification that you can see that it has been finally resolved. You can check out that video in a suggestion tab above. Let's move to our main topic. If you open your Google search and go to AMP option, then there you will find the disallowed attribute value present in HTML tag. And if you click on it, you can see the post and page URL which has been affected by this error. If you click on the URL, then you can see the cause of error. And you can also check the link in URL inspection. As you can see, the affected URL gives out the result as URL in Google, but has some issue. However, the errors shown in the sidebar are not very much helpful to know the exact reason behind the error. In that case, what we will do is search for AMP validator and click on the link to open it. Next, now go to the Google Search Console and copy the affected link and paste it in the AMP validator and click on the validate button. It will give you all the necessary informative data along with the line and column number about the AMP error which your website is facing. Here you can see the particular error is all about the image resolution, and this error disallowed attribute value present in HTML tag is basically related to the problems in images on the website post, and other error you can get like height or width is not valid. Let's look at how to solve this issue. Firstly, copy the image name. Now go to the particular blog post on which you are getting this error. Click on the text of the HTML code for the blog and search the affected image in the search box. Here I can see that it is the image from the third column. Now click the edit option on that particular image. Now click on the edit original option. Here you need to trim down the image as per your liking and hit scale option. Now finally click the update option. Now we will check does it resolve the issue or not. We will copy the same affected link and paste it to the URL inspection to check. Now you can see all the green tick has lit up, means the problem has been resolved completely. Now also let's see and check in AMP validator. So yes, the problem has been completely resolved. Now quickly we will rewind the same process but with another affected link. So nothing will miss out and it became easy for you to do it. This is the affected post and this is the affected image which you can search with the name of the image via search box. Now click on the edit image option. Here this is a new thing, you should pay attention to it. Sometimes still it doesn't completely solve the issue. In that case, make sure the size column, the custom size should be selected. Now go to the edit original and trim down the image as per your liking. Remember, scaling the image is important here. So you need to click the scale option after selecting the image scale resolution. Here also trim down and select the same resolution which you selected in the original image. Now update the image as well as update the post. Now search the AMP validator on the Google search and copy the same link and paste it in the given column and validate to see the error is solved or not. Here I can see the error has been resolved successfully. Last but not the least, after successfully resolving issue in all the affected links, don't forget to validate fix. So Google knows that the problem has been solved from your side. All these type of AMP errors issues can be resolved by just following this method. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Yoast CEO, click on featured. Now make enhance Slack sharing off. That's it. And click on save the changes. And all your AMP problems should be now resolved. So that's it. I hope this will help you to resolve the issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe us.